Well, here we are again. Here we are again. My battery's dying. So if this video just abruptly cuts off, it died. It done died. But yeah, first of all, I'm not getting on here to complain. I'm just letting y'all know what's going on. Today was a day. I'm still sick, if you could tell. And I was up coughing all night. I think I probably got like 3 hours of sleep last night. Then had to turn around and go to work, and I was on camera for 8 hours trying to read a teleprompter. My goodness. But I tell you that my brain was trying to tell my mouth to use words, and it just wasn't. Yeah, so I am exhausted. I really don't care for these types of videos, to be honest with you, because I don't know. I guess I'll just be wanting to be the artiste and whatever. But sometimes this is what I got. This is what I got, and I'm still showing up, and I guess that's enough, right? Right? That's enough. But yeah. See, I'm over here talking like my battery not dying. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow we will be back to your regularly scheduled program. We're gonna blame it on the sleepies. We should be back to it. I hope y'all enjoyed Tainted. And if you haven't seen it, you gotta go check it out. It was something really special to me, close to my heart, and I'm super happy with it. So I hope to create more stuff like it, because it was, yeah. But yeah, just a quick one today. I am so shocked that my camera did not wrap this up for me. But yeah, I ain't gonna get on the ramble. I want to, but I'm not going to, because I can only imagine my camera's gonna go in a second and just be off. So anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace. See you tomorrow. Listen, I'm impressed, camera. I'm impressed.